So after they migrated us to our new host, the filing system changed. So a lot of these links are broken now to files. So if you see it just as sites default, then we know it's incorrect. It should look like this, sites G files. So what I've done is I just will go through. I have it copied already, just the part I need. And I paste it over the files area, or the default, sorry, area. And so then it actually auto-completes. So I'll do that a couple more times because all of these need to be changed. So I'll edit link, double click to highlight the default section, and I'll paste in the G/files/litvpz3271. A stupid URL, but there you go. So I'll do this a couple more times. And then, well, here, we can save it, and then those will be fixed.